Hello. In this video segment, we're going to take a look at two main areas in how to use Think Central. The first one is going to be a quick tutorial on how to add new students to the Think Central database. And the second key area is going to be how you can access help beyond this short video clip you're watching now. So first of all, how you can add new students to your Think Central database. Once you've logged into Think Central, you can go ahead and click on the Class and Students tab located at the top. And once you've done that, you'll notice that there's a section for users. You're going to go ahead and click the little add link located under that users section. The next screen that comes up is going to have you type in certain information on the new student you're going to add to your class. First of all, you're going to add their first name and their last name. And the third step when you're enrolling a new student is you have to create their unique username. Every student in the Think Central database must have a unique username, otherwise it won't allow you to add them. And so when we imported students into the system, we used a unique naming convention for each student. And you can see what that is listed here. It's their first 5 letters of their last name, followed by the first 5 letters of their first name, middle initial, followed by 00. And here are some examples. You can take a peek at those here. But my example with Molly Thompson, Thomp, Molly, middle initial starts with an S followed by 00. So make sure you enter that unique username information using the criteria listed here. The other bit of information you need to enter is the student's password. And for all of the other students that were imported, their student lunch pin was created and enrolled in that system. So go ahead and look up the student lunch pin and you can enter that information in. Choose a grade level and then go ahead and click add. So it's really very simple to use. So that process, what that does is it puts the student into the database, but the second step you need to do is actually enroll that student in your class. So to do that, again, go to Classes and Students, and this time under the Class section you're going to go ahead and click the Manage link. And that will bring you up to a screen here where you can go ahead and manage your class that already exists. You can go ahead and click directly on the link for your class, and the next screen that comes up is going to have you edit your class, which allows you to actually assign a student. So just confirm once you've done that your class name is there, that your current grade level is listed, and then you must make sure that you check each of the products so that new students you're adding to your class will have all of these products available to them when they log in. If you don't do that, they'll be able to log in, but they just won't have access to any of their content. So make sure those items are checked. Click the Assign Students link or button, and then what will happen is you'll have to choose a student from a list. So you want to make sure that you choose 4th grade and then click Find, and it will filter out and show you just all the 4th grade students at your site. So from this point, you're just going to scroll through the list and find, in our example here, we found Molly Thompson. Then I would click the Add button, and it would move her over here to the right-hand side of our roster. And once that's done, you can go ahead and click the Done button located in the right-hand corner. And what will happen is you just get a little confirmation here asking you to go ahead and click OK if you want that student to be added. And of course, we'd want to make sure we do that. And then Molly would be part of your roster. And it's always nice just to verify and make sure that she was actually added, or if you want to ever go back and look up her username or password, you can simply click on your the Class and Students tab at the top and then select your class and then go ahead and view class roster, and you'll be able to look up all the kids' usernames and passwords. So that was a very quick tutorial on how to look up students, but if there are other things that you are wondering about or may need assistance with the Think Central system, whenever you log into Think Central, there's a section for guides and tutorials listed in the bottom right-hand corner. When you click on that, it'll bring up a list of several resources that you can use to access to look up other information. They have a quick start guide, which is just a short little handout. It's a PDF file that you can use to look up, or a more complete full teacher guide, and this is also listed on the MathWiki site. One other piece that some people aren't aware of is there are actually video tutorials, much like you're watching here, but probably a little more professionally done, is tutorials on how to log in, set up classes, make assignments, short little video clips, 3 to 5 minutes that you can watch to learn more details about how to using the Think Central system. So that's built into the Think Central system. The other piece that you can use to access and don't forget about is the Elementary Math Curriculum Wiki site. And we've posted some information on here. We'll put this video link up there as well. And if there's any other resources we find valuable, we'll go ahead and link them from the Math Wiki as well. So hopefully you found this useful, and you'll be able to add students. And if you get stuck anywhere along the process in using the Think Central system, you can come here to the Elementary Math Wiki as well. Thank you, and good luck.